Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a mischievous cat named Oliver. With his sleek orange fur and sparkling amber eyes, Oliver was known far and wide for his playful antics and clever escapes.
Join us as we harness the power of AI to craft mesmerizing stories, breathtaking visuals, and captivating sounds for young minds.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something very special for you. In today's video, we will be diving into the fascinating world of creating amazing stories for kids and even earn dollars by making videos for YouTube. To begin with, we will be using the power of AI to generate a unique story, and for that, we will be using the ChatGPT, the state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. With the ChatGPT, we will input the few prompts or ideas and it will generate a story right before our eyes. Now that we have the story, it's time to bring it in life visually. So for that we will be using the Bluewillow, an innovative tool that generates the high quality and high resolution images based on our stories. And these images will enhance the storytelling experience and create a visually stunning narrative. But having only a great story and high quality images will not stand alone. We need a very good engaging voice, and that is where the Kreado AI comes in. Kreado AI is a platform that provides high quality voice recordings. So I'm not going to waste any more time, and it is time to start. So let's start. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to open the chat GTP so that we can find some interesting stories to explore. So I'm typing here, I'm just writing the topic here and I'm going to find it. So let's see what we get. Let us GPT complete this task. So as you can see, it has provided me a story with all the details in episodes. So what we are going to do next is I'm going to open the Bluewillow free AI art generator. First of all, you will have to create an account on Bluewillow. I'm not going to teach here how you can create the account, but it's very simple. You just need to click the create account and you will have to sign in, providing your details. Bluewillow generates the beautiful illustrations and the possibilities are seamless. It is very good to work at. So I'm opening it. You will have to click here, join the free beta, and it will connect you to the Discord server. You will have to accept the invite. I'm going to join this Rookie 12, and the good thing is you can use this images which is generated by other users, and you can open these images in browsers, and you can also use them as you want to. So now what I'm going to do here is to write my prompt. So to write the prompt, you will have to put in the slash and then imagine, and then select the prompt, and I'm going to write my prompt here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the first two lines and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to put it here in my prompt. Okay, then I need to generate a high resolution, so I'm also inserting that 4, it should be 4K, and the aspect ratio, the AR represent the aspect ratio should be 3:2. Okay, now I'm pressing the enter to generate. It will definitely going to take some time, and then let's see what we get from here. It has generated these images. I can take this one also, but I need to have more kind of Pixar style. Let us create a game. It is for kids, so we need the Pixar style. It should be 4K as well, and the AR aspect ratio. So this has created this one. I think this one and the fourth one is looking very nice. So we can use any of the four options. So I like this third option. So I'm going to press this U3 and it is going to upscale. And if I need to have more variation of it, I can also press the V3. It will create the more variations of the same design. So now, as I have downloaded all the images required for my story, so it's time for the voiceover. So these are the images that I have downloaded from Bluewillow. So let's have the voiceover. So to have a voiceover, I'm going to use the Kreado AI. This is the website, creadoai.com. You can also generate the videos using these characters here. You can also use these characters for the videos, but right now I'm going to only have the voiceover. So for that, I'm going to this create now, and I'm going to this AI text dubbing. Now I have to post the story here. I'm going to select the first paragraph and I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. I can also select the voices of a female or a male character. Here I'm selecting the female voice. I can also have these different style of talking, and let's check auditions.
Whiskers, a mischievous orange tabby cat, lives with the Johnson family. One sunny day, while Mr.
And after listening, you can also confirm. Now I'm going to download it and I'm going to use it in my story. Now that I have the illustrations as well as the recorded sound, I only have to compile both of the things in any of the video editing software. I usually work on Filmora. You can choose the video editing software of your choice and you just need to compile them.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a mischievous cat named Oliver. With his sleek orange fur and sparkling amber eyes, Oliver was known far and wide for his playful antics and clever escapes. Oliver's mischievous nature knew no bounds. He would spend his days exploring the village, getting into all sorts of trouble. No garden was safe from his prying paws, and no windowsill was secure from his agile leaps. The villagers had grown accustomed to Oliver's shenanigans, and although they sometimes sighed in exasperation, they secretly admired his adventurous spirit. One sunny morning, as the village was abuzz with activity, Oliver discovered a traveling circus had set up camp on the outskirts of town. The tantalizing scents of popcorn and cotton candy wafted through the air, drawing him closer. Intrigued, Oliver slinked through the tall grass and found himself at the entrance of the circus. Unable to resist the allure of the vibrant colors and lively music, Oliver crept inside, undetected by the bustling crowd. The sights and sounds overwhelmed his senses,